MSc Part 2, Semester 4. In that, Paper 1, Unit 2, Supramolecular Chemistry. Okay, the next question is what are the molecular crypt or discuss the properties of the two-dimensional crypt. ओके, म्हणजे सेकंड क्वेश्चन कसं येऊ शकतो, मॉलिक्युलर क्रिप्ट म्हणजे काय, त्याच्या टू डायमेन्शनल प्रॉपर्टीज क्रिप्टच्या काय करा, एक्सप्लेन करा. सो व्हॉट इज द आन्सर? The large number of receptors have been designed which are provided with a molecular cleft having the convergent functionality such as a acidic group, phenyl group, NH amine group is or metal ion empty the orbital around the clefts. The few two-dimensional molecular clefts have been designed which is form the stable complexes with a flat substrate and have the crescent moon-shaped cleft with a convergent functionality on the both the side. Okay, the fourth point is there is a R is equal to NC2H25 or R dash is equal to CH2 CH2 CPH3. Okay, there is a molecular cleft. Then in the receptor 1 is a slide the curves in the arrangement of the rings is maintained by the center's cyclopentadiene unit. So it is a very good receptor for the uric acid type of the molecule which are held inside the curve by the 4 hydrogen bonds. And the second one is a receptor in the twist of polyaza cleft which has per organized and convergent hydrogen bond donors is a complementary to deliver the 1,3-diketanol bond donors is a complementary to diketanol as shown in a complexion with a 1,3-cyclohexane diene. Okay. Then the next question is state the two principles governing the stability of the synthetic molecular receptor or write the note on a synthetic molecular receptor. म्हणजे कसा क्वेश्चन येऊ शकतो, एक तर सिंथेटिक ऑर्गॅनिक रिसेप्टरची नोट लिहा किंवा टू प्रिन्सिपल जे आहेत सिंथेटिक मॉलिक्युलर रिसेप्टरचे ते एक्सप्लेन करा. Okay, so the answer is Pedersen first introduced the concept of a molecule recognized in the abiotic chemistry, which is the pioneering work on the crown ethers, which are found to be bound to the alkali metal ion to form the highly saturated complex. Highly saturated complex काय झालं formation झालेला आहे. Then Lehen, Cram and others synthesized a large variety of the micromolecular polyethers, then monocyclic and polycyclic and study their complex forming ability. Okay, the new field thus emerged which has created great insert in both the academic and industrial world. So the Cram called it host-guest chemistry. त्यालाच काय म्हटलं जातं, host-guest chemistry, while Lehen called it the supramolecular chemistry. host-guest chemistry क्रॅमने म्हटलेलं आहे and Lehen is called supramolecular chemistry, which is the chemistry is a non-covalent intramolecular force that bind to the two or more molecule linked to the supramolecule. ह्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं आहे, नॉन कोवॅलंट इंट्रामॉलिक्युलर फोर्स बाइंड होतो टू moleculesमध्ये. So the Cram has defined a host guest such as the host is any molecule or ion which is a binding site. Host means what, कुठलाही molecule किंवा ion असू शकतो ज्याच्यामध्ये binding site present आहे and converge in the complex, while the guest is any molecule or ion which is a binding site diverse. So the stability of the synthetic molecular receptor depend upon the two principles. So the first is a principle of a pre-organization and principle of a complex symmetry or structural recognition. So according to the first principle, the more highly host guests are organized for the binding for a low solvation polar to there is a combination and the more stable are their complexes. So if the host and guest are not pre-organized, they have the two made of the during the complexation, and the principle of this complementary of structural recognition requires that the guest must be the accompanied in the cavity or cavities formed in the host nicely, and binding site must function cooperating. The synthetic receptor are so varied, there is a structural features that is no synthetic classification is possible. Thank you.